question now goes to you as an entrepreneur. Who are you starting the business for? These are the basic things you should ask yourself when you're starting the business. Remember, the number one question is, why are you starting this business? Define it. Be sure. For money, love of freedom, other reasons known to you, or to be my own boss. Why are you starting? Number two is, who are you starting the business for? If you don't have defined customer base, you're making a big mistake, a very big mistake. You must have a defined customer base. Not like you have, okay, let me just say, not like you're having lots of customer lists. I mean, define, okay, let me just clarify this in a better way. Define target audience. People I'm targeting. Don't go into the market generally. Don't just pump in like I'm pumping in for everybody. Have the people you have to target. In business, we call it have a customer persona. Define them. Who do you want to sell to? What the kind of people you want to patronize you? The kind of people you want to sell. This helps you a lot, because when you're targeting them, your advert is clearly targeting them. Your products are targeting them, and you're just facing them alone. You're not just doing dilly-dally around the market trying to sell to A and B and C and Z at the same time. You're focusing on this and you're getting this, and they know you. It's easier for them as well to know you, to contact you, to connect with you, because you're not stressing them out. So before you look confused, this is why some start business to prove to their friends that they're also capable of doing what someone else is doing. I don't like that idea. You don't have to prove to anybody that you're capable of doing it, because our energy passes our energy. And sometimes what a little boy can carry, some adults cannot carry it. I mean, I've seen small boys carry everything, and adults get, and they're doing hand like this. So it's not by size, not by height, it's by what we all have inside. So ask yourself before you look at this. Why? The number two is, some start to prove to their spouse or partners that I'm not a failure, means I can do business. We're not in a competition. I personally ask questions. Why do you want to compete with your spouse in the first place? We're two different people, and well, that's for other people. That's for marriage and other relationship thing. But thing is, but I'll clearly say, are you starting to prove to your partner that I can do a business, I'm not a failure? Is that why you're starting your business? Aside from personal convictions, people start business to prove different points to other people, either to their friends, that the only one that can do it. My own question is, just be sure that decision you're making is okay by you. So now, for who should you start a business if you truly want to succeed? Who should I target? Why should I say I'm starting this business? For who? For myself? For my partner? For my spouse? To show my family members that I'm not dumb? To show my friends that I also can run a business? Why am I starting? The answer is, you're starting for your customer, your client, not for anybody. No matter what anyone says, no matter what anyone thinks, the main reason you're starting your business should be for your customers or your clients. They're the ones that'll pay you the money. Fine, your family members can be your customers, your husband, your partners can be your customers, the clients, your wives can be your clients, but they are the reason why you're starting. Because if you do that, then you're targeting on satisfying them, providing what will make them pay, providing what will make them keep coming back, providing what will make them keep telling others about your business. And that's how you grow it, because your focus is, forget your husband, forget your family, forget your wife. This one, I want to have more clients like Mr. A or Mrs. B. You're seeing the business to make money, not to give away. So the best reason is, who's going to pay? If nobody's going to pay for what you're doing, then what's the point of doing it? No point. Clearly, you're doing the business to make money. Remember, our first reason in the first point is to make money. Now, do you have dream customers, if I may ask you? Yes, do you have dream customers? Who exactly do you want to sell to? People that have, when you're doing Facebook or social media ads, there's a part where you're going to target audience, and they're asking you, do you have people that are based on salary or earnings? Are you targeting millionaires, billionaires, people who have this kind? That's what I'm asking now. Who is your ideal customer? Are they the people that have money, or average people that can afford things? Or exactly, because if it's different, it helps you with your product choice, your raw material choices. You know that if you're doing luxury products, you can buy things because the people who want to sell, so they have the money and they will pay for it. And with luxury clients, one person can just sort your bills. So if that's your target, if you're targeting average earners, sometimes it's average earners, I want people to be able to afford, so they can buy more, and while they buy more, 1 naira profit, I can make a lot of money. That's fine. Just define this in the beginning while you're starting, or in the middle of starting. Now is never too late to define these things, to get these things right. Some of us didn't get it right from the beginning, but in the middle we found our ways out, and we started highlighting things to ourselves. Almost annually, personally, my dream customers change. Almost annually, yes. Sometimes I'm targeting people that can afford things. I mean, drop my price, and sometimes I'm saying, no, I'm targeting luxury. Let me just sell to 10 people, and these 10 people, once they pay well, I'm fine, I'm good to go. Because sometimes, if you think about it, it's better to serve 10 people that can pay than have 100 people that will be owing you. Like we say, 20% of our earnings of our customers are the ones that associate, the 80-20 rule. Sometimes it's only the 20% that are covering the 80% of your bills. So if you look at your personal range very well, you analyze, these things will come very clear to you. Business is not hard. It's only that sometimes we look generally, we fail to focus directly and clear some things out for ourselves. So your dream customers determined by your level of exposure. Yeah, let me ask that question. Sometimes yes. If you don't get exposed to some things, your dream customers may just be, people that are around me. Sometimes you need to change the way you say things, change the things you see, change the people you roll with, get exposed to different things. So your current level of exposure, is it meeting your dream clients? You want to sell to first ladies, you want to sell to big guns in the society, or you want to sell to the people that can afford to pay you for one cloth 100,000, 500,000, or pay you in dollars and pounds and foreign currencies. Your current level of exposure, is it capable? Check it yourself. If it's no, then start to work on that. It's not just about changing your environment, it's about changing how you reach them and how they can reach you and how they can know you and get to know you more. More reasons you have models with big goals. Don't just say my role model is someone. No, have role models that will be challenging you, putting you on your feet, making you to run more. Sometimes you have some role models, and the way they are doing, that it's like me, if I'm better than this person. I don't stick to one role model. I have role models in different areas: dressing, talking, business-wise, connections, networking. That's how to do things. Have different role models, so you're not just putting yourself in the box and following just what your boss is doing. What my boss is doing is what I'll do. That won't help. You may never get to go past what that person can do. It's like running a race and competing with a kid. Sometimes if your model is not helping, change it. If you run your race with a child, you will win now. Putting small kids together, let's run. Yeah, I'm the winner. You will win. You're not helping yourself. That means you want to be a local champion. But sometimes you run with the people that will make you feel, I need to work out more and run better. That's what you need at some level of business. Now, when you know what to sell to, the trajectory of your business changes. It changes entirely. The attitude changes, the way you do it change. Everything will just start looking different. But the next video, I'm talking about customer persona. Before I make this too lengthy, let me just pause it here. With what I've talked about today, have you taken your notes down? Look back, listen all over, take your notes. How can this improve your business? How can this and this help you? How can you put one or two things together to start building yourself differently for the business you're doing or that you are about to do? And I look forward to hearing your comments. Please drop your comments in the comment section or send me an email. My contacts are there. Send me an email, send me WhatsApp for assistance or help of any kind that you want me to clarify some things more for you. I'll be looking forward to hear more from you. And I wish you well in all you do. Follow me on all my social media accounts, my Instagram at DJV Styles, at IBCT Fashion College. Subscribe to my channel, tell others about me, and definitely I'll see you soon. Till I see you next time, stay cool.